My name's Samantha Stokes. I am from Cloutier. I went to high school in Traer and I'm in the animal science program. I've always been really interested in animals. My grandma ran a horse rescue and I spent a lot of summers there at her farm, and I grew up in a rural community, so I spent a lot of time on farms and I like animals and the medicine. I knew Hawkeye would be a great place to start because I knew they had a really good animal science program, and I knew it would be affordable and I could go anywhere from here. I really like pretty much, well, all of my instructors. They definitely are invested in what they do. I have learned a lot of hands-on skills as well as science-related skills, and they are really good at making sure that you have all the resources you need. I received a lot of scholarships from both Hawkeye and from my high school. I have actually been able to go to Hawkeye here completely debt-free. I have not had to take out a single loan or pay in anything at all. Hawkeye is cheaper as a community college, but not having to pay anything is a huge relief and weight off your shoulders to know that you're getting an education and it's not going to put you into debt for it, which is why I chose community college in the first place, because I didn't know exactly what I wanted to do, and I didn't want to get a four-year degree and be in debt if I didn't need it. I am moving to Sioux City this spring. Once I graduate, I will continue dog grooming. I'm going to transfer to this PetSmart in Sioux City, but I am kind of looking to get my foot in the door of more of the medicine side of it and at a vet clinic and see how I feel about it from there and go decide what I want to do, if I like the medicine side or if I prefer something else from there. It's always a great place to start at a community college because you can go anywhere from here. It's not expensive, but it gives you a quality education. My advice would be know what you want to do and pursue it with passion. Even though there will be times that you're like, is this really what I want to do? It will be worth it, and you can look back and say, I have a degree, I graduated, and I can do something with it.